how to change profile picture on Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change profile picture on Uber. Well, changing your profile picture on Uber is a bit complicated, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Uber. Once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to go ahead here now and tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and now here you want to tap on the profile picture at the right hand side of the screen beside your name. Once you have done so, it will take you to this page here under account info. You can see your profile picture there. In my case, it's the blank, so you want to tap on it again, and then you want to tap on contact support because it says photo can't be edited, so you'll have to contact the support. Once you contact support here, you can see you'll only be able to update your profile photo if the appearance has changed due to certain reasons such as significant weight changes, facial deformation, medical conditions, plastic or cosmetic surgery. So scroll down below and you will have to answer these questions as yes, yes, why can't you identify it? You'll have to explain it in the last option here. So you can explain that your appearance had changed due to certain medical conditions or due to certain reasons, and then submit it, and then Uber will look into your request and they'll contact you back, and then you'll get the option to change your profile picture. So this way you can change profile picture on Uber after contacting the support. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.